8 PH object. Look at that. So it must hold this file where you must place in here. Then also do like a transform mesh, toggle in trans, and then you see in front transform mesh. Take that, select that with your mouse. I have done this before for you. Here we are, and also here we don't do an animation right now. Here we animate that also together with other stuff in the end, or it will be animated with other stuff in the end. And I animate some other thing that it includes that there, and because of it is inclusive of a thing where I animate, that animates it with that together. Okay, that's the tricky thing. Okay, and that thing looks like this. This is the spin in the middle of all. When I show you this, this is the spin here. What we have done now. Now we must configure that together. For configure that together, we take a combine mesh. Go out in the free and toggle the top space on your keyboard and tap in combine combine no, mesh, combine me, and now you can see combine mesh, put now all the own things what we have. This was the first one. Here you don't have such a salad like me. You are very much a cleaner graph viewer than me. Put that here in. When you are here, then the next one you go on, and it's a little bit small so you can't see very good. But when we make bigger, of course, when you come here, then you see these points and you go to another point. Now you see it will be on the next one. And also you do that with all of that things what we have before. So, and also that one, and now we are right. Now if you look to that with the draw mesh node, you can see that a little bit what we have done. I can show you with the transform node a little bit better what we have done to this point. It's like in a 3D, this 3D program like Blender a little bit, not really, but a little bit. It's a little bit not so comfortable to do the things. So you can rotate that here by the transform node a bit in some directions. So you can see what we have done to this point here off. So that's the configuration what we have done to this point here. Now you see this is all gray and black and not so nicey, and one element it's missing, but that's not the big thing. What we need to next is to materialize that. And for that, you do absolutely first what I have done here also. Take out the line, then select the thing what is in the front, draw mesh, because we need that now really. Let it what it is. It's like that also. And I see here a difference, and the difference is here in the shading. This is default, but we need flat. It's not the best what we can have, but here we need that, so otherwise we don't come to this result, and it's much too complex to make a better texture than it is. We make the easiest way texture that we can do in TiXL. Because that we need now the next node that it called SetMaterial. You can find it if you take out a line very easy. Here SetMaterial, take that SetMaterial, and so you put on the base color now a texture image that makes the most for our texture. So we need a new node to put in this node our image, and this node called load image, of course. And this load image have also here this chooser for choose the directory where you find the image. And I have done all that stuff before for you, but I can no, I don't want to show you that here. So I deselect, delete all this stuff and go to my original. Here I will show you this load image. Just what I was forget is I do something in the middle between. You must also switch out then a line of this load image, but first I must to show which texture, which image you must load on there. When you get the load image, you have this 3 points here, and I told you you must toggle there, and then you must select this. You must find this file. You have download the free assets, and in this, on the free assets,